Today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable and use tab scrolling in Google Chrome. To get started, make sure you are in Google Chrome and you can see your browser window. If you already have several tabs open, that is perfect because you will be able to see how much easier navigation becomes. Press Ctrl+Shift+A on Windows or Linux. If you are using a Mac, press Command+Shift+A instead. As soon as you press the shortcut, a drop-down panel should appear. Now take a moment to look at what appears on screen. The drop-down should show your currently open tabs. Depending on your Chrome version and settings, the list may show tab titles that are easy to scan. Next, if you want to locate a specific tab quickly, start typing. The panel will filter the results based on what you enter. For example, if one of your tabs is for a website with a distinctive name, start typing a few letters from that title. You will notice the list updates as you type, narrowing down the tabs that match. If you do not want to search by typing, you can simply scroll through the list. Use your mouse wheel, trackpad, or the scrolling method that works with the drop-down on your system. Once you have reached the tab you want, select it. You can usually do this by clicking the correct item in the drop-down. After you select the tab, Chrome will switch you to that tab immediately. Then you can continue working without needing to return to the top tab bar. If you have a lot of tabs open, this approach can save time and reduce frustration. The panel makes it easier to find the right tab even when the tab titles are small or partially hidden. You can repeat the shortcut anytime you need to switch tabs again. That covers everything you need to know.